What's interesting in this question is there's no amount. So what we can do it in two ways really. You could put an amount in, and it doesn't matter which amount you put in. So normally students go for £100 and then see how long it takes to get to £200, and that's absolutely fine. But you don't need to put amounts in, you can just work with the percentage that you've got. So how are you going to do that? Well, first of all, you've got to convert this percentage into a multiplier. We're going to start off with 100%. Compound interest is money you get, so it's going to increase by 5.8%. So that means that we're going to end up with 105.8%. To make that a multiplier, you just divide it by 100, so it's 1.058. So that is our multiplier. So year one, our multiplier is going to be 1.058. So 1.058. So we've increased it by 5.8%. To get year two's, all you need to do is 1.058, which was year one's multiplier, so after a year, and just times it by 1.058 again. And so I get 1.119364. Well, if you have a look at this bit here, it means it's increased by 11.9%. Well, we're looking to double the money, so we need it to be a 2 point something. So we keep going, and something you can do is you can press on the calculator answer times 1.058. And if you press equals, it will give you year 3, which is 1.184, blah blah blah. But all you need to do on the calculator is press equals again, and it will just do the times 1.058 to the previous number. So 1.252, so year 5, 1.325, blah blah blah. So it's going to take a while. 1.40. Let's scroll down a bit. So number 7, 1.48, 8 years, 1.56, 9 years, 1.66, 10 years, 1.75, 11 years, 1.85, 12 years, 1.967, blah blah blah. So we're getting close. And 13 years we get 2.081, blah blah blah. So 13 years is going to be our answer. Now there's a few things just to note here. The first thing is that students tend to try and divide. They try and see how many 5.8s there are in 100 or whatever. Don't do that, because compound interest grows each time. So in the 5.8%, if you look at the numbers here, these numbers are increasing and increasing each time, and that's the beauty of compound interest. That's why people say save early. Start saving as soon as you're born. The second thing to note is you might be looking at it thinking, really, do mathematicians do that? Do they just have to sit and write them out? Well, no, actually there are other ways of doing it, but at this level, at GCSE, this is the method to do it.